Hey team, I made a little video just showing us all how we're going to count the pouch from now on and how everyone should be counting the pouch so we all have the correct numbers when ending the shift off. The first thing I want to say, just a disclaimer for this video, we always want to make sure that the coin dispenser is filled all the way up, but we do need to take the excess change out of the little slots. In this video, we did not do this because it's something that was said after the fact, but it does ensure that everyone is getting all their money they deserve from, having their pouch. And then after we make sure that it's filled all the way up and that excess change is removed from the pouch, we're going to go ahead and start counting it. We're going to start with the pennies, then the nickels, dimes, and quarters. And we want to always make sure that it has the correct value of each coin in the little teal, just to make sure that the scale does not get thrown off and it gets a miscount, which is a common mistake, but we can always prevent that just by double checking ourselves. Once we're done with the coins, we'll just move on to the rolled coins. And in this case, we only have one roll of pennies. But if needed, please add more just to ensure that no one's running low on anything when they do get their pouch. Just set everyone up for success. And after we count the coins, we're going to proceed to the bills part of the pouch, which is probably one of the most confusing parts that we have here. And as you can see, we have let the ones get to $33, which is the perfect amount to ensure that we aren't taking out large bills from the $82.75 that we're supposed to be getting, or as close as we can. And ensuring that we do 33 ones is going to make sure that we get to at least 83. And once we get to 83, we subtract that from the 82.75, it should get us to the perfect 100. And as you can see in the video, we did place a 10 in the pouch, which is perfectly fine. It's just kind of just to make sure that we're not putting too much of a certain amount in the pouch, like too many fives, too many ones. So we just went ahead and placed that 10 in there. It didn't have a traumatic effect on the pouch, and also it, just gives a diversity in the bills. We're using the calculator here just to subtract that 83 from that 82.75, and it only makes us take out 77 cents from the pouch. It dies down a lot of confusion, and it just makes it way easier to verify the pouch and make sure that everything is counted correctly. Yeah, and then after that, we're just going to make sure there aren't any bigger bills in the back. Checks for 50s, 100. Take all that out and count that towards the person whose pouch that was, and go ahead and settle them. Thanks, team.